Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best radiator stop leaks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Delco GM Original Equipment 10-108 Cooling System Sealing Tabs. This budget-friendly option is priced at just $5.56, making it the most affordable choice on our list. Designed for versatility, these sealing tabs are effective on various engine components such as oil pans, manifolds, and cam covers. The high-viscosity formula cures when exposed to air, ensuring reliable sealing against leaks. In terms of design, the tabs are small and lightweight at just 1.12 ounces, making them easy to store and apply. Delco, a trusted name in OEM car parts, has ensured compatibility with a wide range of vehicles. However, it's worth noting that this product is discontinued by the manufacturer, which could limit its availability in the future. While the Delco sealing tabs are an excellent option for small leaks and budget-conscious consumers, their limited scope for larger radiator issues may be a drawback. If you're looking for a quick fix without breaking the bank, this product is a solid choice. Just keep in mind its application may be more suited for minor leaks than long-term solutions. At number 4, we have the Permiteex 3301 Radiator Repair Stop Leak. Known for its reliable and cost-effective formula, this product is a favorite among DIY enthusiasts. It's designed to protect against coolant loss while stopping leaks in radiators, heater cores, and engine block core plugs. The advanced formula also addresses seepage from head gaskets, providing peace of mind for drivers looking for a comprehensive solution. The liquid formula is easy to use and doesn't require any special tools or expertise, making it ideal for quick fixes on the go. The 16-ounce bottle is compact, yet sufficient for multiple applications, ensuring great value for money. While the exact price isn't listed, Permiteex products are generally regarded as affordable and dependable. One downside is that this product may not be as effective for severe leaks or larger cooling system issues. Additionally, some users report needing multiple applications for optimal results. If you're seeking an easy-to-use solution for minor radiator leaks, the Permiteex 3301 is a strong contender. Coming in at number 3 is the Bars Leaks 1334-5PK 1 Seal Stop Leak. This product is a pack of 5 11-ounce bottles, making it a great choice for those who need multiple applications or have multiple vehicles to maintain. Bars Leaks has a strong reputation for delivering effective stop leak solutions, and this product is no exception. The liquid formula is versatile and can be used to address leaks in radiators, heater cores, and other parts of the cooling system. Its compact design and convenient size make it easy to store and use whenever needed. The product is also compatible with various antifreeze types, which adds to its versatility. While the pack of 5 provides good value for money, the upfront cost may be higher than single-use alternatives. Additionally, users report that while the formula is effective, it may require careful application to avoid clogging the cooling system. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile option to stock up on, the Bars Leaks 1334-5PK is worth considering. At number 2, we have the Visbella Radiator Stop Leak Sealer Conditioner. Engineered by automobile and chemistry experts, this product is designed to ensure your car's cooling system runs smoothly while addressing leaks effectively. The one-step formula allows you to pour it directly into the radiator, making it easy to use without any additional tools. Visbella stands out for its compatibility with all metals, plastics, rubbers, aluminum, hoses, and connections. It's also safe to use with all types of antifreeze, which adds to its versatility and convenience. Beyond stopping leaks, this sealer conditioner prevents rust and lubricates the water pump, offering long-term benefits to your cooling system. While priced at $22.99, which is on the higher end of the spectrum, Visbella offers exceptional value for those looking for a permanent repair solution. However, some users might find the tube format less convenient than liquid options. If you're seeking a reliable and multifunctional product that delivers long-term results, Visbella is a fantastic choice. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Aliexpress Radiator Stop Leak Tablets. Priced at $29.99, this premium option offers professional strength that's trusted by OEM auto and truck manufacturers worldwide. These tablets not only seal leaks, but also inhibit rust and scale formation, neutralize pH imbalance, and control electrolysis, making them a comprehensive solution for radiator maintenance. The tablets are compatible with all types and colors of antifreeze, including conventional, extended life, waterless, and straight water. Their compact size and easy application make them ideal for both amateur and professional use. Additionally, Aliexpress recommends reapplication every 15,000 miles or once per year for continued protection, ensuring your cooling system stays in top shape. While the price point is higher than other products on this list, the advanced formula and OEM approval justify the investment for those seeking unbeatable quality and long-term reliability. If you're looking for the bold standard in radiator stop leaks, the Aliexpress Radiator Stop Leak Tablets are the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.